Everybody qualifies for some money somewhere. The key question is, will that money improve you, or will it put you further behind the 8 ball? Welcome back, funding enthusiasts. Today's video is going to be a game changer. I mean it. So grab your pen and paper, because what you're about to learn could be the most clarifying insight you've ever received about funding choices. I'm sure you ask yourself questions like, am I fundable? Or would I be able to borrow money if I needed it? Wouldn't it be amazing if you knew right now if you could get some loan money? And how much would you qualify to borrow? The answer is, yes, you can. You can get your fundability report to tell you exactly how much banks would lend you today. All right, let's dive into the world of funding, shall we? We're going to break down different options, starting with personal loans. Most of you are familiar with personal term loans. They are literally the first to come to mind, like a financial best friend. They offer a lump sum borrowed from a financial institution with fixed payments over a set period. These are perfect for startups needing to cover initial costs. However, please make sure that you have cash flow to begin paying back immediately, since payment becomes due as soon as you accept the loan. Also remember, your credit score and income play crucial roles here. The better your credit scores and payback history, the better the loan terms you will get. Use the fundability link below to see how much you qualify for. Note, having a 700+ score will always get you cheaper money. Now, moving on to personal lines of credit, the PLOC. Barring a difference in interest rates, a PLOC is a better option to a personal loan, primarily because payments do not begin until you use the funds. You only pay back the amount you use. And most importantly, the credit line replenishes as you pay it down, so you can use it again and again. PLOCs are the greatest. It's like having a financial safety net. It's better than cash. You borrow money from your line as you need it, and only pay interest on what you use. They are great for managing cash flow. Just be mindful of your credit utilization. Now let's move to the enticing 0% personal credit cards. These babies offer a promotional 0% interest rate for a set period. They are perfect for reducing old debt, move older balances from high balance credit cards, and reduce utilization or accelerate paydown. Remember, folks, for more detailed information and to revisit these options, check the links in the description to opt in and receive an email transcript of this video. But wait, there's more. Now let's talk about business loans. Let's begin with the versatile business line of credit. Are you still with us?
BLOCs
Offer flexibility, funding for investment opportunities, from startup money for Amazon stores to flipping real estate. Please don't get overwhelmed. Remember, the fundability link below will walk you through the guidelines and document requirements. Don't sweat it. Next up is the mighty business term loan. Caution!
This is not
money to be toyed with. The payback terms are usually very strict and can actually be very challenging to the new business owner. This kind of loan has to be handled very carefully. It is designed for existing businesses with established income and revenue to begin repayment as quickly as it is received. It can be an expensive option. So if you are confident about your ability to repay and you need that lump sum for the big purchases or expansions, then go for it. Business term loans have made many rich. With business term loans, as with all the other loans, qualifications matter. Just remember that all monies are not equal. Do not take it if you do not clearly understand the loan terms. Do not fear. Use your link below to get your fundability report and get free business coaching education, so you know the difference between good and bad money. Phew, we are packing a lot into you in this short video. However, let's move on. We're covering a lot here, but we're not done yet. Remember this most important fact. We are playing chess here, people. You must know your facts. You can quote me on this. In business financing, revenue is king. As long as money is coming in, you will always get money to borrow.
As long you are passing
all incoming revenue through your business accounts, you will set yourself up for maximum fundability. Of course, other compliance elements are required, such as filed taxes, age of checking accounts, website, business email, and state compliances. That does not mean that startups with excellent credit can't get funded. On the contrary, everybody qualifies for some kind of funding right now. Most importantly, your fundability report will point out what you need to do to be in compliance, to get funding right now and even bigger funding days in the future. 0% business credit cards, the love of my life. These offer a similar deal to their personal counterparts, with a promotional period of 0% interest. People, these are a gem. You can move your personal credit balances over to these cards and drastically reduce utilization on your personal credit profile, since these mostly don't report to your personal credit profile. Yes, these are probably one of the most helpful forms of credit if you follow the guidelines and put them to the use that they were designed for, and then some. Let's not forget about equipment loans for all your machinery and vehicle needs. We got you covered there also. These tend to come with less stringent requirements and rates as low as 5%. Equipment loans are easy to find, and lenders love them because the loan is collateralized by the equipment. All right. Buckle up because we're nearing the end, but before we go, we've got a few more gems to share. There are other specific loan types that require a touch of experience, such as the accounts receivable factoring, the purchase order financing, and the merchant cash advances. These offer unique solutions for cash flow needs and order fulfillment, but please read the terms very carefully. And last but certainly not least, we have the ever-reliable SBA loans. With the Small Business Administration backing you up, these loans offer substantial funding for various purposes, from working capital to real estate purchases. The SBA is there to back you up with substantial funding, so you can move your business from survival to successful. This loan has the most stringent compliance requirements, but no worries. We are ready to hold your hand and walk you through. That was a whirlwind tour of funding options, folks. Remember, each type of loan comes with its own set of pros and cons. The key to it all is finding out where you stand so you can know how to get where you plan to be. My friends, as we come to the end, please remember to utilize the helpful links in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share. Click subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep informing yourself and your loved ones.
Stay healthy and happy. See you soon.